Well, hello there and welcome to my kitchen. All right, guys, today I have 3 super easy and delicious appetizer recipes for you using refrigerated canned crescent rolls. These are perfect for the holidays. They're just so delicious. So let's dive in and get started because it's that time to get cooking. You will need 1 can of crescent rolls. Sprinkle a little flour down on your counter. Roll out your crescent rolls and then pinch the seams together. Sprinkle a little flour on top and then roll out the crescent rolls using a rolling pin. And then I'm using a pizza cutter to cut the crescent rolls into 24 pieces. Spray a mini muffin tin and then place your crescent roll in each cup. And I'm taking a little bit of my spinach and artichoke dip, spooning it into the center of each crescent roll. And I will give you the link to the video that shows you just how to make this in the description box below. Then bake in a 375-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And there you go, delicious spinach artichoke bites. Do the exact same thing with the crescent rolls that you did with the spinach and artichoke bites, but now take a brie cheese round. Cut it into small bite-sized pieces. And then take a piece of the brie cheese and place in the center of the crescent roll. And then I'm placing a teaspoonful of my 3-ingredient cranberry sauce on top of each piece of brie, and I will give you the link to the video that shows just how to make that in the description box below. And then I'm placing a pecan half right on top. Then bake in a 375-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And then voila, delicious cranberry brie bites. To make these, I'm unrolling and separating the crescent rolls, placing them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and then I'm cutting some provolone cheese in half, and I'm going to place a half of the piece of cheese on each crescent roll, and then some roast beef, and rolling them up together. And then you will want to bake it in a 375-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. While they're in the oven, I'm going to make this au jus gravy, and I'm just following the directions that are on the back. And voila! All right, guys, well, I hope that you enjoyed seeing my crescent roll appetizers. I want to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.